How to reset the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 or the Galaxy Watch 7. First, let's go back to your watch face by pressing on the side button here. Then we swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, go down and tap on settings. Once you are in settings, you want to scroll down and then tap on general. After that, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on reset. Now in here, tap on the reset button. And that's it. Your Galaxy Watch 6 or Galaxy Watch 7 are now resetting. Now this shouldn't take too long. Once the reset is complete, you can then pair your watch with a new device. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And here, once it has finished, you can go ahead and set up your device again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.